If you are confused about the pronunciation of these words, then you are not alone. More than 90% people struggle to pronounce these words correctly. And the reason is this topic pronunciation doesn't have any fixed rules, no logic, and a lot of silent letters. So, in this video, I will tell you widely accepted correct pronunciation for these words, especially in India, that I learned from Google itself. So, I just want to share it with you. See, there is no hard and fast rule to learn correct pronunciation. No, it is up to you. If you want to speak clearly, then it is important. So it is better to learn these pronunciation if your goal is to speak clear English so that you can make other people understand what you are saying, because incorrect pronunciation can create a big confusion and it can affect your confidence too. And to avoid that problem, it is better to learn. So let's get started. First word is hotel. Hotel. It is commonly mispronounced as hotel. No, we don't say hotel, it's hotel. We have to focus on second syllable. This word has two syllables, hotel. So the stress will be on second syllable, hotel, tel. For example, I can say, I booked the hotel online, not I booked the hotel online. So remember this. Next similar word is hostel. Hostel, not hostel. Mostly people say hostel, and in our school we were taught this hostel. At least in my school, not sure about you. So, but the correct pronunciation is hostel. Hostel. We have to focus on first syllable. I have highlighted this. You can understand with that. For example, I can say the hostel food is not very good. The hostel food is not very good. Hostel, not hostel. Remember this. Next word is niche. Niche, not niche or niche. In American accent, we can also say niche, but in India, mostly people say niche. In the content field, we use this word quite often, like, what's your niche? For example, I can say, teaching English is my niche. Teaching English is my niche or niche. Now you can tell me what's your niche in the comment section. Now next word is police. Police. It is commonly mispronounced as police. No, police. Here we have to stress on second syllable lease. Police. And I know most of us have heard this word as police all our lifetime. So it is difficult to accept this new pronunciation. It can be a little challenging, but you can try. And here, for example, I can say the police helped control the traffic. The police helped control the traffic. Now tell me in the comment section, what do you call it? So far, what was your pronunciation for this particular word? Now next word is cough. Cough. Not cough, cough. We have to say aw, not a. Cough. And I know all our life we have heard this as cough, like I'm having cough. No, it's cough. Going forward, remember this. For example, I can say, this cold weather gives me a cough. This cold weather gives me a cough. Now, next word is psychology. Psychology. In this case, we have to focus on second syllable co. Psychology. Mostly people say psychology. No, that is not correct. We have to say psychology, not psychology. It is confusing, I know, but it is what it is. For example, I can say psychology helps us understand people better. Psychology helps us understand people better. Next word is tomato. Tomato, not tomato or tomato. In British accent, we can also say tomato, but not tomato. Mostly we have heard this word in our surrounding, like tomato or tomato. No, it's tomato or tomato. For example, I can say tomato prices are high these days. Tomato prices are high these days. Or tomato ketchup. So we have to say tomato. Now next similar word is potato. Again, second syllable stressed here. potato. In this case, no American or British accent. We have to say potato in all the accents. Potato. For example, I can say potato is used in many Indian dishes. Potato is used in many Indian dishes. Not potato or not potato. It's potato. Now next word is spinach. We have to stress on first syllable spinach, not spinach or spinach. It's spinach, palak. For example, I can say doctors say spinach is good for health. Doctors say spinach is good for health, and I don't like spinach. Do you? Tell me. Now next is cucumber. Cucumber. Here we have to stress on first syllable. Khira, it is cucumber, not cucumber or cucumber. It's cucumber. Cucumber. For example, I can say, I like cucumber in my salad. I like cucumber in my salad. Do you like that? Tell me. Now, next is archive. Archive. Not archive or archive. It's archive. And in American accent, we can also say archive. Archive. For example, I can say, my old photos are in my archive folder. My old photos are in my archive folder, not archive. It's archive. Next is hormone. Hormone. Here, first syllable is stressed, not hormone. No. In American accent, we can also say hormone, hormone, not hormone. For example, I can say stress can disturb hormone balance. Stress can disturb hormone balance. Next is ancient. Ancient. In this also we have to focus on first syllable. Ancient, not ancient. It's ancient. For example, I can say we learned about ancient history in school. We learned about ancient history in school. And next word is vehicle. Vehicle. In this, we have to stress on first syllable. Vehicle, not vehicle. It's vehicle. Vehicle. For example, I can say, please park your vehicle properly. Please park your vehicle properly. And last is accept, not accept. It's accept. In this, we have to stress on second syllable. Accept. For example, we can say, she accepted her new job offer. She accepted her new job offer, not accepted, accepted. So these were 15 pronunciations from my side. I just wanted to share it with you, whatever I learned from my experiences. Now it's up to you if you want to acquire them in your day-to-day conversations. And in the end, please let me know, what do you mispronounce in all these words? Which word do you think you commonly mispronounce? Let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end.